Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Crispy, savory oyster mushrooms are just minutes away in your air fryer, ready to transform your meal. This simple method truly brings out their incredible umami flavor and perfect, tender crisp texture. It's a super quick and unbelievably easy way to prepare a healthy, satisfying snack or a delightful side dish for any occasion. Get ready to discover your new favorite mushroom recipe, making weeknight dinners exciting and effortless. You only need a few simple, fresh ingredients for this absolutely delicious and healthy dish. First, grab about a pound of fresh oyster mushrooms, making sure they are firm and clean. You'll also need a little olive oil or your preferred cooking oil and your favorite seasonings. Classic, tasty choices include salt, fresh cracked pepper, and a dash of garlic powder, creating a foundation of fantastic flavor. Tossing your mushrooms properly ensures that every single bite is bursting with incredible taste and perfectly coated. Gently tear the oyster mushrooms into bite-sized pieces, separating the clusters to maximize surface area for crisping. Then, place them in a bowl with a light drizzle of oil and a generous sprinkle of your chosen spices. Make sure everything is evenly distributed before heading to the air fryer. The air fryer truly does all the hard work here, delivering beautifully crisp and golden results every single time. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This helps achieve that perfect browning. Then, cook the seasoned mushrooms for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to shake the basket vigorously halfway through to ensure even crispiness and prevent sticking. Enjoy your perfectly cooked air-fried oyster mushrooms immediately, while they are still wonderfully warm and crisp. They are absolutely wonderful as a standalone side dish, fantastic piled onto tacos, or served as a delightful plant-based appetizer. For an extra touch of zest and freshness, garnish with some bright, chopped parsley or a quick squeeze of fresh lemon juice, elevating their flavor even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.